Hello, my name is Matt Murphy with Infrastructure Product Group. I'm excited to talk to you about Spiral Wound Liner, the most comprehensive and efficient rehabilitation liner system on the market today. Richard Lovett with Grouch Scouts began using the SWL profile in 2000 as a sectional slip liner product in the great state of Iowa. Then, in 2016, Richard began installing the profile for his customers using the spiral wound method, after engineering and manufacturing the roller and cage system. It is my pleasure to share with you why SWL is the most innovative pipe relining system today, why it is an efficient and value-added rehabilitation method, and how it will impact the extreme need for culvert pipe rehabilitation in the market. So let's talk about what makes SWL innovative in the world of pipe rehabilitation. SWL is mainly targeted towards culvert pipe relining, but can also be used in a variety of other applications, including sewer pipe sections or other water retention and drainage pipes of various sizes. SWL is a superior, longer-lasting product, which makes it the best value for culvert relining. This product and installation will give all parties peace of mind that the completed projects will last for many, many years. In fact, what makes SWL unique is that it does not use the existing pipe as a base whatsoever. SWL is an entirely new, rigid product wound just inside the old compromised surface and then completely and securely grouted in place. The spiral wound liner profile and all of the hardware, including the roller and spiral installation cages, are all 100% American made in Iowa using ISO certified manufacturing. With this being said, in our search for certified installers of SWL, training, equipment and product distribution, and ongoing support is logistically very friendly. IPG will be an engaged partner with all of our installers across the country. We are in the midst of an extreme need for this pipe rehabilitation system. The market is wide open, and there is more than enough opportunity for a network of installers nationally and internationally, with very limited direct competition of this type of material and installation method. Now let's talk about some of the many benefits of spiral wound liner. First and foremost, SWL is obviously a trenchless rehabilitation of the culvert. It is minimally invasive, with no digging up of the existing culvert, and therefore no dismantling of the roadway. The only excavation possibly needed is at the outlets, where each end of the pipe may need to be better exposed for SWL insertion. The bulkheads may be removed and refreshed with new after the new spiral wound liner is set. This may in turn clean up the entire site and look aesthetically more pleasing. There is also very minimal traffic disruption with the spiral wound liner installation. In fact, there was no diverting of traffic at all. Traffic will flow with the slowdown and only for a few hours over a span of a few days. At the end of each work session and day, the entire SWL crew and equipment will leave the site and traffic will flow normally. Very innovative and unique, SWL is accomplished in the existing right-of-way. This means there is less exposure to buried utilities, no entrance on private property, and no additional tearing up of ground outside of the right-of-way. Also, and most important up to this point, SWL can be installed in places that no other rehabilitation system can. With only needing about 3 feet of workspace for the roller and spiraling cage, SWL can be installed in culverts on extreme grades, in drop-in inlets and spillways, and many other challenging situations. Also, SWL can be installed with up to 30% flow inside the culvert. Our hydraulic-driven roller and cage system pushes the PVC through the pipe with plenty of torque. Of course, This is not to say that any amount of power washing of the pipe will not be necessary, as this is always an important preparation step. When completed, SWL will yield no loss of hydraulic flow, and in many cases will improve it, with a projected 75 to 80 year performance life. As the liner is spiraled into place with the ability to start and stop any time, you create a completely smooth, continuous section of new pipe surface with no couplings or joints to disrupt water flow and catch debris. The spiral wound liner profile is manufactured, or rather put together, on site to exact length, so there is no waste or loading of unused material back on the truck. Continuing on, SWL is completely green and environmentally safe, and safe for crews to work with, using absolutely no styrene in the makeup of the profile material. Our profile is a proprietary PVC product, which very importantly meets ASTM F1741 and F1697 standards, and can be installed in profile dimensions of 16-inch to 72-inch. SWL meets exact performance criteria in all materials of existing pipe, including metal, concrete, and plastic. In fact, again, since SWL creates an entirely new piping surface, it is the ideal profile and installation system to reline the most extreme structurally compromised culverts, even rusted to the bare ground. You can use SWL to rehabilitate culvert pipes that have been scheduled for complete replacement, saving customers crucial time and money within their budgets. Spiral wound liner, the most innovative, cost-efficient, and best performing culvert and pipe rehabilitation on the market today. Thank you very much for your time. It has been my pleasure to talk with you. We would welcome the chance to meet you and talk about becoming an installer for spiral wound liner. And of course, if you are someone who we can help with the SWL system, please don't hesitate to call or email us. Please enjoy our short video, and we hope to talk to you soon. Thank you.